Welcome to episode 2 of this year. Hey guys, so welcome to episode 2 of Life at 20s. So I just want to give you guys an update sa unit natin. So it has been few weeks na after my last vlog and sobrang dami ko nang nabiling mga gamit. By the way, if you haven't noticed, my hair is new. Hindi siya maganda ngayon kasi naglinis ako ng unit. So medyo magulo siya. But I did color my hair. Nagpasalon ako after a year and a half. And pinakat ko siya. So, dun sa last video natin, sobrang haba ng hair ko. Like, nandito na siya. And now, ayan, ito yung ginawang haircut. If pina-follow nyo ako sa Instagram, actually, nag-ask ako dun if I should cut my hair or not. 70% of you guys answered, wag. No. 30% told me to cut it. But then, it's super hassle na kasi. Every other day, I have to style it, wash it. Kasi sobrang haba na talaga niya. I'm gonna insert like a video. So, ganyan na siya kahaba. Hindi na siya masaya i-style. And sobrang buhagha, sobrang dry na ng ends. So, I really have to let it go. I mean, I love the length of my hair. It's just not, hindi na siya nag-give. Hindi na siya slayable. So, ayan, ito na yung hair natin today. I think okay naman siya. It's still long. I can curl it. I can straight it whenever I wanted to. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the things that I got recently para dito sa ating unit. So on this side, I got drawer. So 5-tier drawer yan. May additional lang siya na cabinet. Kasi I already have this. Yung 5-tier na drawer. So, nag-add lang ako ng isa kasi hindi na kasya yung mga clothes ko. Also, kailangan ko din talaga ng lagay ng bag. So, eto yon. Ayan. Here, I have my clothes. Ayan. So, sa Shopee ko lang to binili. So, medyo mas mahirap tong buuin, unlike this one, kasi may additional cabinet siya. So, dito talaga ako nag-struggle. So, yan yung itsura niya. Nagkabit ko lang sila. And actually, nagpagawa pa ako ng patungan niya. Kasi, dyan sa corner na yan, may pataas dyan na ewan ko for anong reason ng landlord. So, para ma-maximize yung space, nagpagawa ko ng patungan ng dalawa para maisagad sila dun sa gilid. So, yeah. And I also got this one. So, bumili rin ako ng rack. So, yung mga nakahang dyan are clothes that I need to wear. Kasi, pag hindi ko sila nilabas, masa-stock lang sila sa boxes or cabinet. So, I really have to hang there to remind me na kailangan ko silang isuot and to take photos. So, ayan, sa baba niyan, bagong padalang shoes din and stuff na sobrang kalat. So, I have to ayos pa niyan. On this side naman is my little dining area. So, dumating na yung table and chairs ko. Actually, siguro nakita nyo na yan sa last vlog natin. Ang nadagdag here, diba? Sobrang kalat pa. So, nadagdag here is this one. Bili ako ng lagayan ng heels ko kasi padami daw sila ng padami and sobrang kalat na nila. So, ayan. I got this from Shopee din. Actually, almost all of my furniture are from Shopee. So, ililink ko na lang sa description box for you guys to see them. And, ayan, may naiwan pa ako dyang dalawang box to open. So, mga clothes ata yan and, I don't know, bags. So, kailangan ko pa din yung ayusin. And, ayan, mga shoes. Here is, dyan ko na muna siniksik yung laundry ko. So, meron pa din dyang, eto, puro damit yan. Sa last unit ko, meron na ako. So, puro damit din yan. I have to declutter because I'm selling my pre-love. So, meron akong shop for my pre-love items. I'm gonna put it here. It's Shop by Angel D. So, you guys could check it out. Declutter pa ako ng sobrang dami. So, marami akong i-up. Make sure to follow me on my main account kasi doon ako nag-update every now and then if kailan ako mag-upload sa pre-love shop ko. So, yeah. Basically, that's all for now. Yun muna yung update natin for our unit. Hopefully, next vlog natin, we can do like a tour na. So, yeah, marami pa akong bibilin. Wala pa akong ref and lutuan na maayos. So, that's gonna be probably on the next vlog na. So, yeah. Okay, so today I'm just getting ready because nakipagkita ako sa mga friends ko, mga Shein friends ko sa Shein pop-up event. Well, actually kahapon galing ako doon. Yun yung first day. First day kasi ako required to visit the booth. I decided to go there again today with my Shein friends. Si Kate, kasama ko na siya kahapon kasi may event din ako ng 5 PM yesterday. So it was for Kiss Philippines naman. So, after Shein, umuwi lang ako to change my outfit and then doon ako ni Kate to go to the second event. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog yesterday kasi na-overwhelm ako sa dami ng ng mga deliverables namin. So, tinry ko lang din i-enjoy yung events. Ngayon, I'm finishing getting ready. I'm gonna meet them again for pop-up. Then, we're gonna kain daw kami. So, it's like a date. Kasi last time, yung sa event sa Alabang, I was supposed to go with them then. Pero hindi kasi ako nakasama. May nagpupukpuk na naman sa labas every day. Every day na may nag-aayos dyan sa labas. Ayan nga, dapat kasi kasama nila ako sa Alabang, yung Shein pop-up. Pero hindi ako nakabangon ng maagap nun kasi the night before the event, lumabas ako, kasama ko sila Excel, yung mga friends ko. Kasi celebration ng birthday niya. So, hindi ako nakasama for the Shein. So, ayun, I decided to meet with them today to catch up with them. Also, because si Irish kasi is from Bicol pa. Every time na may event yung Shein, dun lang siya lumuluwas. So, bihira namin siya makasama. Si Corinne kasi and si Kate, madalas ko naman na silang, madali ko lang silang makontak since malapit lang yung province nila. Yesterday sa Kiss event, super na-enjoy ko siya and na-meet din namin si Angel, like my name. Yeah, super fun ng event kasi ang daming activities, ang daming pwede mong gawin sa booth. Like, you can do your nails, your hair. So, I had so much fun. Hindi lang talaga ako nakapag-vlog kasi, ewan ko, gusto ko lang talaga i-enjoy yung moment. Enjoy yung moment. Si Kate, patagal ko na siyang friend. Well, not very long. Shein friend ko siya. I'm just gonna finish the whole face and then I'm gonna show you my outfit. Okay, so this is our outfit today. Medyo tinatamad na akong maghalongkat pa ng ibang outfit. And also, kahapon naman nakapag-shoot na ako for content. So, very simple girl na lang ang atake natin for today. And also, gusto ko lang naman talagang makasama yung mga Shein friends ko. So, siguro magiging alalay nila ako today. So, ayan lang. Magbabaon na lang din ako ng flats since masakit pa yung paa ko from yesterday kasi all day ako naki-heels. So, yeah. I'm just gonna wait for Kate kasi susunduin niya ulit ako. Magto-two-way grab kami. So, yeah. Medyo matchy-matchy naman kami ni Kate. Ka-dress din siya na parang cream-colored pero mas bongga lang yung sa kanila. Since ngayon lang sila pupunta sa booth. I'll see you guys later pagkasama ko na sila. Hello! Habang nag-i-tape po kami kay Corinne, may make-upan muna natin si ate girl. Using this. Chigang! So, lalaruin natin si ate. Reset. So, napakatagal po ni Corinne. So, next PR, kukunin ko to. So, pinubudol niya rin ako to get the Canon G7X. Get it na. We'll see after this vlog. Ba ako guys?
Hi guys! Sobrang arte!
Ang Angel.
Hello guys. So it has been few days from the previous clips. And right now, I'm just gonna fix this frame that we got yesterday. So nag-mall kami kahapon. Matagal na akong humahanap na frame for our unit. Recently kasi galing na rin kami sa mall ng mga friends ko sila Excel. And I saw a frame sa H&M Home. Perfect yan dito sa unit namin. Kasi, ewan ko, medyo naboboard na ako sa walls namin since white lang talaga. So sabi ko, bibili ako ng frame to put yung mga Polaroid pictures namin. I saw yung frame sa H&M and sakto siya naka-sale pero I did not get it. Kung tinatamad ako magdala, hindi ko siya binili. Tapos kahapon, bumalik kami sa mall. Bumalik na ako sa H&M to get it. And wala na siya. Sadly, hindi ako nakabili din sa H&M. But, ikot-ikot kami and then pumasok kami sa Daiso. Yung Japan, yung mga mura na mga gamit. Fortunately, meron sila nito. Dalawa yung binili ko. Now, I'm just gonna fix it, the pictures here. I'm going to put itong mga Polaroid photos namin dun sa Instax. The second frame, I will put yung mga travel. Alam niyo yung sa airport, yung card, tickets, or whatsoever. Ilalagay ko dun. Iba dun, medyo na-fade na. But I don't care. I'm just gonna put it here. And also yung mga cards from the places we have been. So, that's our agenda for today. And then later, I'm gonna open some package from Shein. Okay, so now let's unbox this package that I got from Shein. So, di ba galing kami sa event dun sa previous clips natin. This is for our August campaign. Actually, this package is, hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalaki. Nakalagay dito, it's a total of 51 pieces. If I'm not mistaken, this is the largest, or I mean, ito yung pinakamaraming package ko na na-receive from them in like isang padalahan. I'm super excited. Let's start. Okay, I don't know where to start. First, on the top, we have clothes. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so na-overwhelm na ako ngayon. Sobrang dami ng laman ng box. So, first box. Tagal ko na nitong sinasama sa order form ko, pero hindi nila sinasend. Yan. Finally, I got it. So, I have another shoe box here. This is another heels. Naman is color beige. Cute. Same plastic, we have this one. Ooh, okay. Alam ko na to. Para silang books na box. You can actually put something inside. I'm gonna insert like a photo here. So, ganyan. Nilagay ko siya sa order form ko. It's like a home decor kasi. So, ayan. Okay, so they sent me the whole set. Next, this makeup palette na nakita ko actually to sa event. And sabi ko, sige, isama ko to sa order form ko. Yay, they let me have it. Dami niyang shades. And it's so cute. This is from Sheglam. May mga clothes pa dito. Marami pa yata sa ilalim. But before that, open muna this one. Okay, I'm hoping this is a lamp. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. So cute, guys. I'm gonna insert like the photo of this lamp. Ang cute din ng pink color nito, pero as a neutral beige aesthetic girly, I got the yellowish one. Meron pa ditong clothes. Next box is this one. Okay, alam ko na to. Ta-da! This is the Color Bloom Shimmer and Matte Collection set of the blush. Okay, so I got this kasi dun sa PR after event. Kasi diba every event naman may binibigay silang PR. So I got this. This is the blush. I actually love it. I'll show you. Nice niya mag-blend. I don't know if you can see, but ta-da! Total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 liquid blush. So for sure, I'm gonna share this with my friends. Last box that I have here. So this one is yung lagayan ng perfume. So I'm just gonna insert a picture of yung buo nito. Now let's move on to the clothes. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have here 13 clothes to open. So first we have here, this one is a mini skirt. So I think this is sobrang sakto sa akin because looking at the waist. I'm gonna try this out on my TikTok channel. Next, this one naman is a yellow long dress. Sobrang cute nito from the photos sa Shein. I think the color is really vibrant lang. Meron lang siyang detail na ganyan. Then, sa likod, may ganyan din siya. Actually, para siyang ruche-ish design. Next is this black dress. Si Kate, meron siyang white nito. Actually, really love the fit on her. So, sabi ko, sige, hanapin ko siya sa Shein. And I got the black one. Next is this one. A dress. Usual. Ayan. Yung likod niya. Next is an animal print dress. So, recently na-obsess ako sa mga gantong print. Yung suot ko dun sa event, diba, sa first day. So, naka-animal print din ako dun. And I saw this on the app and yeah, might as well add it because I love the details. V-neck siya. Next one is the gray color of the dress that I wore on the second day of the Shein event. Love it so much. I think nagkamali ako sa sinabi ko kanina na so this one is the actual dress that Kate wore. So ito pala talaga yun. It's also a bodycon dress. This one is just a skirt. Cute nung fit niya sa akin. So next is this one, a set top. I love yung mga casual fits lang with the jeans and white top. It's perfect for those days na parang tinatamad ka lang pull off ng outfit. We're down to last 4. One-piece clothing. Bodysuit. Yan yung harap niya and then ito yung itsura niya sa likod. Bagay din siya for lazy days. On like a jeans and then ito and then like a New Balance rubber shoes. So that's cute. Pero this one parang medyo malaki lang siya sa akin. I was expecting this one to be like body hugging. Last two. We have another black dress. Like ganyan. Yung back niya is like an open back again. Last one. Last we have here a set tube. And ito yung skirt niya. So I'm excited to try them all. I'm gonna post that on my TikTok. You guys can follow me there. And if you're new here, I have like a coupon code sa Shein that you can use for a 15% off. I have 3 codes na. Yung first one ko was Angel D. So I'm just gonna put the codes here on the screen. So yung una kong code, Angel D, it's I think one-time use lang yon. But may 2 new codes, etong second and third. So you can use it 3 times. So basically that's it. I just want to thank Shein for always partnering with me and collaborating with me. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love.